Shucks! Welcome to my first vlog! Oh, balo ko magtaka ka bakit taluwaya ako nga yung video. Kasi, balo na yung angulo ko, so I asked him na iyan na mo mag-assemble kayong rover ko instead of me. Ako na mo mag-video kaya. Anyway, abaning aso ko yan, diba? Tingnan taga-assist. So, this is gonna be my first vlog and my first RC na i-assemble and ilalagay yung mga accessories. Anyway, pigtanggal mula, reng, karelang, parulang, akagitso naman. Yan i-assemble mula. O yan, sige, push me boy. Lagyan mo reng tornilyo na. Ikot, ikot, ikot. Pinainitan spare tire katang gulot na ng Land Rover na last may namang ikabit. And then mag-follow na kami katang bumper na kaipat. So, ayan, akakit ko ng marino. Maglagay na kaming anik-anik. Ayan, pitda ko na yung solo at para video ko na yung final output. I hope you guys like it kasi beginner friendly yata mo naman. And I have so much idea about building RC yet, pero balita. It's never too old to build your hobby and join the community. See you around! So, tinest try mo na yung wall. And then, yes, di yan sapat kung walang sunset. Bye!